Hey Anthony, Jay Gardner sucks.
He does suck.
Just like the hole in your sock. The hole in your sock. Yeah, there's a hole in your sock. I can bet you $1,000 there's a hole in your sock. It's at the top of your sock, buddy. I know. You look like an idiot right now because there's a hole. There's a hole at the top of your sock. Come here, come here. Let me touch your hole, master. What?
You touching his hole?
Yeah. I used just the tip. I was gentle.
You want me to go?
So this vlog is going to be a little bit different from my 5th vlog. It's going to be just around, you know, there's going to be music in the background. It's going to be about the car show I was at today. So it was a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I love the support from everybody. Thank you so much. It's greatly appreciated. So I hope you guys like this video too. It's just a nice little car show video. And yeah, so we'll see how this goes. Thank you for watching.
No, because he likes his mother-in-law to drive.
Oh yeah.
She's 92, but she has to get a car.
Yeah.
The mother-in-law's got to drive at 92. Yeah. What do you think? She wants a second key. She wants more horsepower.
Yeah, exactly.
She still knows how to gun it, buddy.